what's the deal? Hey!
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Yo, call me DJ Khaled in this piece.
Another one.
You know what I mean? Anyways, yo, I'm gonna go ahead and test these handlebars out that I just put on the other day. If you didn't see, check out my video from like a couple days ago.
Look at me. Sure. Look at me.
Oh, this is me getting out on the woods, testing these handlebars out for the first time.
Oh, shit, it's muddy. Okay.
I love you, okay?
I love you now. Shit, it's muddy over here in the field. Shit, I'm gonna bust my ass.
Be careful.